In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Salesforce tables. We'll walk through how to find and view the tables behind your Salesforce objects so you can understand what fields exist, how they're structured, and how they relate to each other. This is especially useful if you're building reports, integrations, or automations, and you want a clear picture of your data model. First, log into your Salesforce account as you normally would. Once you're in the main Salesforce home screen, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the setup menu. Click on that gear icon. From the drop-down that appears, choose the option called Advanced Setup, sometimes just labeled Setup, depending on your Salesforce edition and layout. When the setup page opens, you'll notice a left-hand panel with lots of options, and at the top of that panel, there's a search bar. This search bar is the quickest way to get where you need to go. Click into the search bar and type Object Manager. As you type, Salesforce will filter the options. Under the category called Objects and Fields, you'll see Object Manager appear. Click on Object Manager to open it. The Object Manager is where Salesforce lists all of your objects, both standard and custom. Standard objects include things like account, contact, opportunity, and case, while custom objects are the ones your organization has created for its specific needs. Here you'll see a table-like list of all these objects. Scroll through the list or use the search box within Object Manager to find the object whose table you want to inspect, then click on the name of that object. Once you're inside the object's detail area, look again at the left-hand panel. This panel contains different sections for that specific object. Find and select Fields and Relationships. This is the key section that shows you the structure of the object. When you open Fields and Relationships, you'll see a table displaying all the fields that belong to that object. For each field, you can review details such as the field label, the field name, the data type, any controlling field if it's a dependent field, and whether or not the field is indexed. This table view is what many people think of when they say they want to see the Salesforce table for an object. You can click into individual fields from this list to see even more details. But by simply using Fields and Relationships, you already have a powerful overview of how that object's data is structured.